1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, I'm Marianne Loudon, also known as One Crazy Redhead, which is my eBay username. My eBay store is called Good Buys All the Time. I eat, drink, and sleep eBay. I'm also a trading assistant on eBay as well as an education specialist. I'm here to tell you that when you make sales on eBay and you're bringing in money, what else could be wrong? Boy, have I learned a lot, because I didn't think my store was bad, but I had no idea in my imagination that it could be so much better. As a trading assistant, it's helped me because when I take on clients, I can explain to them what's going to help their products sell. I try to be like Janelle. I want to be Janelle Elms Jr., and because she's just, there's other classes you can take, but they don't have the Janelle personality. And she is so true in wanting you to be successful. There's other people who, yeah, just pay me the money and whatever. You're not going to find that on Rockstar. As a Rockstar, we have a family. Everybody helps one another. There's no such thing as a dumb question. You reach out, you'll get one answer or you'll get 17, because everybody else wants you to be successful as well. As I mentioned previously, my name is One Crazy Redhead. I think anybody who wouldn't want to be a rock star would be crazier than me, because there are resources available 24/7. There's hours of education. Well, I never thought that I would be on Facebook, Twitter, or blog. I've learned all that information from Janelle and the Rockstars and the fellow Rockstars. My most favorite thing about the 1% Club was the keyword. I learned that it wasn't all about me, it was all about the customers, and to think like a buyer. I'm using my keywords so the buyers will shop my products, and I have a variety of keywords so I can draw in more people. You'll see a change in your store, you'll see more money in your pocket, your profits will increase, your DSRs, which is an initials for detailed seller rating, they'll increase, your feedback will increase, and we'll have Janelle Elms to thank for it. My name is Marianne Loudon. I am One Crazy Redhead. My eBay store is goodbuysallthetime.com, and I'm a Janelle Elms wannabe.